YouTubers, this is Gopher Bob on the Gopher Bob channel, and today we're doing a review of a city set 60019, and this is Stunt Plane. Very simple. There's the back of the box, kind of cool. One end, nothing on that end. There we go. You get 2 minifigs with this, and 140 pieces, and this was released in 2013. Okay, so there we go. Let's have a look what's in the box. Spare pieces and stickers, of course. That. Okay, you get 2 instruction booklets with this one. Smaller one for the smaller vehicle. That takes me approximately 18 steps. 17 steps, 18. Anyway, nothing on the back of it. Just one bag for that one and one minifig. Okay, and this is for the plane, which is the bigger. There you go, one minifig with that. 2 bags, obviously. And this is the bigger set. All this, or the bigger build. 37 steps for that one. There's advertising for more products of that year. Okay, more city stuff. And there's more city stuff there. And there we go. There's city undercover. And we get a peace kite right there. And then another advertising on the back of that, which is the cargo sets. The green cargo sets from that year. Alright. Let's put that away. We're gonna have a look at the minifigs straight away. This is the mechanic. You can see his tools in his apron, or overalls, sorry, not apron, overalls, and his hat. No alternative, no printing on the back of his torso, no alternative face print. So just, yeah, standard printing. Okay, so we'll put him back in his service vehicle. Only one, actually. We'll just stick him there because we'll show you that. Okay. Let's pull the pilot out. There we go. Nice torso printing there. What does it say? Airborne. And that's it there. Airborne patch on the back. No alternative face print. No printing on the legs, just on the torso. But it's a good torso. And he's got sunglasses on with his helmet on. Okay. So we'll put him back in, because we can. We'll put that there. And we'll put that there. Right, let's show the little service vehicle. This can come off. That's just solid bricks with an extinguisher, hammer, a wrench, and walkie-talkie on that one. And sticks on there. That's the vehicle. You get a sticker on the front, or you put a sticker on the front. Pretty straightforward. Nice wheels underneath. That's it. Straightforward. There's a couple of studs there that he sits on, stands on. That's it for that one. Alright, let's check out the plane. There we go. That's underneath the plane. Kind of cool. So that's a sticker, 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 and and wing his sticker as well. Wing that. And as well as the checkered piece there, that's a sticker as well. So look, yeah, look, I thought this was cool when this came out. There you go, the cockpit opens up. Piece there, probably could maybe do a little bit better on the cockpit, maybe, but no, it probably goes with the plane. I think when you look at it side on, yeah, pretty good. It goes with the plane, I think. Probably would have it a bit more sleek down, but anyway, it is what it is. I think it's a cool plane. It reminded me of the Red Bull planes when it first came out. I thought, yeah, cool. The Red Bull Air Races. But that was my thoughts. But no, it's a cool plane. It is a cool plane for what it is, and the piece count. It is definitely a cool plane, and you stick it in your airport, of course. All right, anyway, guys. Thank you very much for watching. That is it for that set. 140 pieces, 2 minifigs, and came out in 2013. 60019 is the set. Cool stuff, huh? Thanks very much for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.